What do you think? Does it look like a wig to you? Do it look like a wig? I really like this. Hey, it's Amia Renee, and today I'm going to show you guys something a little different. I'm going to be reviewing a braided wig. So this wig I got from a company called NECESSAIRE. This gold little bag cute. So the wig came in this bag. So excited! So this is a full lace wig, braided wig. So cute! I'm excited to try this on. Okay, so in the inside of the wig, it has 3 combs in the back. 1, 2, 3, and then it has elastic band straps on it. So the name of this wig is the Pamela wig. So this wig is a full lace wig. It's waist length 24 to 26 inches. It's an ombre color with blonde toward the end. I got a medium cap. So this one also has sparse baby hair. So they have an option where you could choose no baby hair. But I said I'm going to try the baby hair, and if I decide to not like it, I could just cut it off. So this little braids right, this little one little braid across. Let me just try it on. So cute. Ooh, this looks so cute. Let me slide closer to you. Let's see how I want this to lay. Gets a little closer. Okay, so don't worry about the lace at this moment. Look at the parts. I like this a lot. Oh my gosh. All them hours braiding my hair. See how the back looks. Okay, so let me cut this lace off and I'll be right back. Alright, so I think I'm gonna do it like this. So, spray some Got To Be freeze spray. I left this scarf on for about 5 minutes after putting this freeze spray on, so hopefully my hair is laying down. Let's see, let's see. Oh, it looks cute. Alright, so let me do these baby hairs. I'm so excited now. Alright, so let's see about these baby hairs. Grab any mousse of your choice. I have True by Made Beautiful. Okay, so I naturally do not have baby hairs, and I really estimated how difficult it is to lay baby hairs.
So I give it to all the girls who know how to lay their baby hair down with no problems. This took me the longest. And I still wasn't satisfied with the end result, but all this baby hair is gonna kill me.
That baby hairs is gonna kill me. Oh my god. Alright, let me try to do this side and I'll be back. So I did my baby hairs off camera because I'm not the best with doing baby hair and they be really getting on my nerves. So let's see how this turned out. Yeah. You know what, I'm just gonna leave it like that because I did my makeup before, so now my forehead makeup is smudged everywhere. Oh my god. What do you think? Does it look like a wig to you? Do it like a wig? I really like this. I just trying to figure out how I want to style it. So these are waist length braids and they come, I guess you could say, to my hips and yeah. Since I don't usually wear my baby hair like this at all, I don't really have too much baby hairs, I wanted to play. So I left the sideburns long on purpose, just to see how it would feel to have all this baby hair everywhere. Alright, so let's talk about the company that provided this braided wig for me. It's Neat and Sleek. This particular wig is called a Pamela and the price is $274. So as you can see, as much as I was smiling and posing in this video that I love this wig, I would say it's a great price point because that's how much actual braids, getting braids done on your scalp costs. And you can take it out after a couple weeks, a month or two, and then that's it. Versus this braided wig, you can have for, depends on how you keep it up, for a couple years, and you can pop it on whenever you want. Pretty. They have different colors, they have different styles. They have cornrows, they have knotless. These are not the knotless. These are regular box braids, but other styles and colors on the actual site. So I would definitely leave the site down in a description down below so you can check them out, and I'll leave the link to the wig that I have on now in the description as well. I really like this. It's so cute. Yeah, I gotta play with the baby hair some more, but I don't think I did too bad. It looked like a whole lot on camera. Again, check out Neat and Sleek, their website, so you can look at the other varieties of wigs that they have available. Oh my gosh, I'll be right back. I'm going to go dip these in hot water and I'll show you how it looks. And let me show you how the ends look again right now with them not being dipped. Ooh, I dipped my ends. So they're nice and sleek. And you could put mousse on it at this point, but just not going to. If you have any questions, comments about these braids, that's my cat. Stop, you know. If you have any questions, comments about these braids, leave them down below and I'll be sure to answer them. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.